All right, welcome back here to Lone Star Grillz, and today we're doing a video on our Santa Maria grills. Now, I know this isn't our first video. However, brand new year, 2021, and we have a brand new modular grate system that we're introducing. So we're going to go over that in just a second, but I want to recap all the features of our Santa Maria grills. Now, first, we have three sizes. We have a 3-foot, 4-foot, and a 5-foot. This one happens to be our 3-foot version. I have a 5-foot that we're going to show you here in a second. This one also has several of the options that we offer. So I'm going to kind of go over those one by one, show you the different add-on options, and then we'll look at the base model, how it comes in a second. First off, like all of our grills, brand new material, we use 11 gauge, which is 1/8 inch carbon steel in constructing these. All brand new material, virgin. We don't use any used material, no seconds, no rejects. Everything is all brand new. 3 to 5 coats of high heat paint on all of our grills. To finish them off. Standard is going to be 5-inch wheels. This happens to be shown with our 8-inch casters. This is our stainless steel folding side table. This is our heavy-duty stainless rotisserie, capable of holding up to 80 pounds on the spit here. Our 20-inch diameter crank wheel. So I'll show you our standard crank in a minute. This happens to be our 20-inch wheel, which is also an upgrade. We have here our access door, another very nice upgrade, allowing you to be able to get inside to the grill there to access your fire, add more fuel. Makes that very nice, very handy when you're cleaning out as well. Stainless steel latches on those, stainless steel large, cool touch handle. Take this off real quick, move it out of the way. So, the beauty of the Santa Maria grill is the live fire cooking. That is cooking directly over the fire, over an open flame. These Santa Maria grills, we can use charcoal, which is lump charcoal, briquette charcoal. We can use chunks of wood, splits of wood. We can mix chips of wood in with your charcoal. Any of those combinations, cooking directly over the live fire. The next best thing about the Santa Maria grill is the ability for us to quickly raise and lower our grates. To move this up and down to get closer to the fire or get our food up off of the heat. Now on this grill we have 34 inches of adjustability, so we can get all the way down onto the ground, or we can get way up high and do low and slow. Next on these grills, open this up and I'll show you how we construct the inside of this. So with our grills we have an expanded metal fire grate. This happens to be removable. Now I know some other competitors will put fire bricks down in there, and while fire bricks do have some thermal properties, the problem that we found with the fire bricks is that when you have your fire directly on the fire bricks, you're not able to get oxygen in there, so your fire sits there and smolders, gives you a dirtier smoke. With our setup here, we got our fire built up off of the bottom. We got a full 3 inches here, and then we have our unique ash clean out. So this plate protects ashes and coals from dropping down into the ash pan while you're cooking, but as soon as you're done cooking, you take that out, scoop all your ashes, and this is sloped down towards the pan, so you rake or scoop all your ashes down into your ash pan, and boom, you're done. Clean it out right there. There's your ash clean out. Everything's done. Respray the inside with some cooking oil. Keep it from rusting. You're good to go next time. Now, next is our side-mounted bracero. Now what this does, if you don't already know, you're going to put splits of wood, lay them on here, build your fire, and then your fire burns down. You grab the coals with our coal shovel or one of your own and shovel your coals that you've just made into your fire. Now you're making your own coals, so you're constantly feeding your fire with new coals. Now I know what you're saying, fire bricks here, we don't put them here. Well, once we let our wood burn down to the coals, we don't want them to just burn up like that. So we don't want air feeding in there. So we want them to set on that fire brick until you're ready to put them in there. Then the air comes in, you got your nice clean burning fire. This is mounted on the side. It is removable. It will go on either side. Typically it goes on the side opposite of your handle, but you could also even mount it to the back if you don't have room. So you could take it off. You can also add the bracero later if you happen to buy the Santa Maria prior and didn't order it when you did it. You can add that later because it just fits on the side. Now, to our brand new grate system here. So now our brand new grates that come standard with this are 1/2-inch carbon steel, 1/2-inch square, solid bar carbon steel. Now you can see this is a 6-inch section here. This is what's going to come standard on all your grates from now on. We also offer a stainless version. We also offer a Argentinian V-grate insert and a plancha, a griddle, a 1/4 inch thick. So we'll go over here to this grill and I'm going to show you these different options. Here I've moved across and we're looking now at our 60-inch model that I have on display in the showroom. And this one is a base model. There is nothing added to it. The only thing that is different than what comes on it are the grate inserts. So door, the front face is completely flush. There is no access door. Of course, you can still obviously get access in here. It's not that it's not accessible. It's just the door makes it much easier. Table, pull handles, bracero, all those extras that I was showing you over there, and our standard crank handle, which is just a crank handle, tool touch handle here. You have the same locking mechanism, just a little different setup on the actual handle. A little more lower profile. The 20-inch diameter wheel is going to be a little bit more traditional look. So we've got a different handle option for whatever you may prefer. Now onto the grates. So here we'll show you, first off, over here we've got our 304 stainless steel grates. So this is our solid stainless steel bar insert. So that's our stainless upgrade there. That's what's shown right here. Then over to our La Plancha, which is 18 inches wide, 1/4 inch thick steel. We have some grease drains. So if you're cooking something that happens to have a lot of grease, you can take your spatula, push that over. That's going to drip down into the fire and burn up. And then our V-grate insert, also 18 inches. We also do have our drip tray. If you wanted to get the Argentinian drip tray, goes underneath here, catches all the juices. That is available also if you want. You don't have to have it, but if you like that, that is available also to go along with the V-grate. So all of these are interchangeable. So you literally pick it up, take it out. Remember, it's going to come with the standard bar grates, and then you can mix and match. You can, if you've got a smaller grill like our 36 here, you can have part of it the standard grates, part of it the V grates. The next time you cook, you've got the plancha, which you can cook on. And then obviously, like this model happens to be a little bit larger, we can literally have a station set up of each different kind, or we could obviously do 2 of these, 1 of these, and vice versa. Any different combination, you can do at one time, provided that they fit. So again, obviously the 36, you're not going to have all 3 at once, but you do have the ability to take it in, put it back in later. Also, another thing that I'll point out is rotisserie cooking. So if you're cooking something rather large on the rotisserie, the grates now are removable, and now you're free to have all that space there for your rotisserie, so you don't have any grates that are going to be in your way. No need to raise the grate all the way up to put the rotisserie. You can leave the grate right here. You could actually, on this particular model, or even the smaller one if you wanted, have your rotisserie, if it was a turkey or a large chicken, you could have it here and still utilize the grates over here, whether it be the plancha, the V grates, or the standard grates. So with our brand new modular grate system here, this gives you the flexibility to literally have multiple grills all in one unit. And you're not stuck with these grates and wishing you had ordered the other grates, or trying to find some other off-the-shelf solution using a griddle or anything else. So we've wrapped it all into one, and now you have the flexibility again to make this your own and have it interchangeable. So that's our Santa Maria grills. Again, standard model, base model, without the doors and tables, and then we build them to suit. So if you need that table, if you need the handle, you prefer the bracero or the different wheel, or the larger wheels. This happens to be our 5-inch wheel, which is our standard. We're able to mix and match it to build it to your specs so that it is your grill, and it's exactly the way you want it. More information, check out our website, LoneStarGrills.com, or please give us a call, 936-344-6151.